Hello everyone, if you're playing Hytale and you keep getting kicked from servers due to this error, connection handshake was cancelled due to the configured time of 10 seconds elapsing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, you're going to close out Hytale, and now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here CMD, you're going to right click on it and run it as administrator. And now you're going to put both of these commands in. I'm going to put both of these commands into the description of the video. So first off, you're going to put this command in. You're going to press enter. And once you're done with that, now you're going to put the second command in. And once you put both of these commands in, you're going to close this. And then you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here date and time, and you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly to the internet, because if it is set incorrectly, your computer has problems connecting to the internet. So set your time zone, click sync now. Then after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Hytale, you will see that you will not get kicked from servers anymore and you'll be able to play Hytale. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.